All right, today I just wanted to give you a quick tip on the Jacobsen Tri King 1900D. This might save somebody from getting some stitches or even a skull fracture or something. Pretty important detail that I almost overlooked and almost cracked myself in the head. So I just wanted to do a quick video on this. If you are changing the reels or the cutting units on this unit, just be careful of this here. I already got the reel off here, but as you can see, these arms right here, these springs here, which actually help bring those reels up. These are very heavy reels that are on here, and I can barely push down on this. There's a lot of tension, as you can see. So I push on this with my foot like that. Now that's how it's going to be when you're sliding your reel off. All right, and you'll probably be tucked over it, bent over this thing a little bit, and you'll be pulling forward towards you. And what's going to happen is once that reel comes off of that shaft, that's what happens. And your head is right there and wham. So it's pretty much almost what happened to me this morning. It was early. It's my first machine I was working on and wasn't paying attention and almost caught it in the face, and that could really hurt somebody. So be really careful when you're removing the cutting units on this machine.